Are you going anywhere for the holidays?
Hey Molly, yes, I'm going to Italy with my family. We just bought our plane tickets yesterday.
Wow, that's exciting. How long is the flight?
About 3 hours, I think. I've never been on a plane before. I'm a bit nervous.
Don't worry, flying is fun. You just need your passport and you're ready. Have you packed your luggage?
Not yet. My mom said we're packing tomorrow. I need to pack my clothes, my sunglasses, and maybe a map of Rome.
Good idea. Maps are super useful. Are you staying in a hotel?
Yes, a hotel near the city center. My dad says it's close to the train station too, so we can visit other places.
Cool. Are you going by train to other cities?
Maybe. We might go to Venice. My mom really wants to ride in a gondola.
That's so nice. Venice is beautiful with all those canals. Don't forget your camera.
I won't. I want to take pictures of everything. What about you? Any travel plans?
I think we're going to the mountains. We'll go by car, so no tickets or luggage limits.
That's true. What are you going to do there?
Hiking, maybe camping too. We'll stay in a small cabin, not a hotel. I love the fresh air.
Sounds fun. Do you like road trips?
Yes, we always bring snacks, games, and music. I love watching the trees and mountains while we drive.
That's cool. I need to remember my headphones for the flight and my travel pillow.
Smart. The plane can be noisy. What's the first thing you'll do when you arrive in Italy?
I want to eat pizza and gelato. My dad wants to visit the Colosseum.
Yum! Italian gelato is the best. I tried it last summer when we went to Spain. We needed our passports and tickets too.
I can't wait. Traveling is the best. New places, new food, and new adventures.
I agree. Have a great trip, Ollie. Don't lose your luggage.
Thanks, Molly. I'll tell you all about it when I get back.